Hi everyone. So today I'm thinking of I'll make a video and we'll share it on YouTube. I'm not so frequent in YouTube. Like I'm not uploading videos regularly because I'm in a job and right now it's very hectic over there. So that's why I don't get much chance to trade. But today I thought let's do a selling option selling. And so what I did, so if you see here, basically the bank nifty is looking weaker. It's not so bullish or something. So that's why I thought that let's sell 34,000 call. And we'll see. So basically we'll wait till the end. And so the profit will not be much. It's just as I'm not able to focus on the trades, so that's why I'm doing the selling of out of call. And if you see, I also put a stop loss. So it's the actual premium of this option. So yeah, so the probability of this trade is much higher considering bank nifty looks weaker. It's trading around 33,650. So yes, so I will not monitor this trade. So I set up a alarm trigger basically, which will notify me when it will cross this level, this 33,837. So until then I will focus on my other works and will not monitor this date. So yeah, at the end I will update whatever the result is. So thanks. Okay, so I just want to give you an update. So in morning the trade which I have taken, it's now in profit and I haven't done anything. So this is the fun of doing option selling. So yeah, so let me show you what happened to the chart. So I think I did the selling over here. I took the trade here, and still it is nearby that only, but still I'm in profit because of theta decay. So yeah, the plan is same. I will hold it until it crosses basically this 33,837. And although I have this alarm set to notify me while I'll work on something else 20. And we are already in a good profit. So the almost the 3,500. So it might reverse from here. And so it's good. We have already trailed our stop loss to 13 and we kept our target to 4. Why I'm not waiting for to get it to 0? Because market is unpredictable, right? So anytime it can reverse. So that's why it's better, if we are already in profit, we should trail our stop loss or either book our profit. It's definitely looking good, and if it gets hit, we'll out of this trade. Okay, 7. It's going down. It looks actually 800 now. On it will have 4 rupees. So let's uh, stop or stop trail or stop loss to 12. That should be good. Mm, yeah, 9.5 exit. Okay. let us cancel this one. Okay, so thanks guys, like thanks for watching this.